Hello everyone. So we have this interesting questions from numbers today, and this is a very common question. If you are able to understand one question, you can do rest of them. Yes. So what we need to do here, we need to find the unit digit of 7 raised to power 139. Okay. And we are given with these four options. Now what is unit digit? Let's understand. See, you must have learned numbers in your childhood. Ones, tens, hundreds. Like these are the places of the numbers. Rightmost is the ones place, then tens, then hundreds, and so on. So the number at the ones place is called the unit digit. For example, I have number 763. So the digit 3, 763 is the number. So digit 3 is the unit digit. This is the unit digit. Correct. So the number at ones place is called the unit digit. So in this question, we need to find the unit digit of 7 raised to power 139. That means 7 is multiplied how many times? It is multiplied 139 times. How many times? 139 times. Yes. Now after multiplying 7 139 times, we will get a huge number. So what do we need to find? We need to find the unit digit. That means the last digit. The last digit or the unit digit we need to find out. This is the unit digit. Yes, you need to find this. Now, how to do this? By using calculator? No, absolutely not, because your calculator will also not be able to solve 7 raised to power 139. It will be a very huge number. Yes. So let's see how we can do this without calculator. So to understand the concept, I have written down first 10 powers of 7. So what is the unit digit of 7 raised to power 1? 7. 7 raised to power 2 unit digit is 9. 7 raised to power 3 unit digit is 3. 7 raised to power 4 unit digit is 1. Then again we have 7, 9, 3, 1, 7, 9. So what is the pattern here? If you look carefully, after every 4 powers of 7, the unit digit is repeating itself. 7931, 7931, like this. Yes, that means cyclicity of power of number 7 is 4. Yes, after every 4 powers, the unit digit repeats itself. Yes, so I can give general rules for this or general formulas for this. For example, whenever the power of 7 is a multiple of 4, the unit digit will be what? 1. How? Look here. Look at 7 raised to power 4. What is the unit digit? 1. Correct? Look at 7 raised to power 8. Unit digit is 1. Now, 8, 4 are the multiple of 4. Yes, 4n. So, in that case, unit digit is 1. Now, let's look at 7 raised to power 4n plus 1. 4n plus 1 means when the power is not the multiple of 4 but leaves a remainder 1, then what is the unit digit in that case? Let's see. Now, let's come to 7 raised to power 1. What is the unit digit? 7. What is 7 raised to power 5? Unit digit is 7. What is 7 raised to power 9? Unit digit is again 7. Now, what is 4n plus 1? You look at 1, 5, and 9. These three numbers, when divided by 4, leaves remainder 1. So, in that case, unit digit is 7. Yes. Next, 7 raised to power 4n plus 2. In this case, what is the unit digit? This means whenever the power is not a multiple of 4 and leaves remainder 2. Yes. So let me use a different color for this. I'm using green this time. I'm using a green color. I'm using the green color. Please look at the left box where I've written all the powers of 7. So 7 raised to power 4n plus 2. Look at 7 raised to power 2, 7 raised to power 6, 7 raised to power 10. All these powers, 2, 6, and 10. When divided by 4, leaves remainder 2. And what is the unit digit in all these three cases? It is 9. Yes, so unit digit in case when the power is not divisible by 4 and leaves remainder 2 is 9. Similarly, we have the last formula or the rule which says when the power is not divisible by 4 and leaves remainder 3, what is the unit digit? For this, look at the remaining numbers in this box. 7 raised to power 3. Let me use a different color. Mm, let me use purple this time. Okay. So this arrow, these are the left out numbers. 7 raised to power 3, 7 raised to power 7. Look at 3 and 7, the powers of 7. 3 and 7. When you divide them by 4, it leaves remainder 3. In these two cases, the unit digit is 3. What is the unit digit? Unit digit is 3. Okay. Now, let's come back to the question. We need to find the unit digit of 7 raised to power 139. Correct. So, 7 raised to power 139 can be written as 7 raised to power 136 plus 3. 139 has been broken into two parts. Now, look at 136. 136 is actually a multiple of 4. It is divisible by 4. How? See, if you remember the divisibility rule of 4, the last two digits should be divisible by 4. Then the whole number is divisible by 4. Right? So 136. 36 is divisible by 4. That's why 136 is also divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, I can write it as 4n. That means it is a multiple of 4. Correct? 7 raised to the power 4n. And we are left with plus 3. We just now saw something like this. Yes? Where? Here, please look. Here we wrote this. Whenever we have 7 raised to power 4n plus 3 format, what is the unit digit? In such a case, unit digit is 3. Yes? So this is our final answer. Is there any option which matches our answer? Yes, D option matches our answer. D option is the correct answer. I hope you understood it well. If yes, please like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.